Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will share you the two interview experience for the TCS. Okay, so current interview experience. So candidates have shared their experience. Now if you are the candidates who have interview further, then just go through this video completely. So first interview experience, they ask about yourself, means you have to prepare your introduction very well. Then why you have chosen Python over Java for project. As my project was on RAG, means this candidates was from the Python domain, so they ask most of the question from Python. Okay, so what is RAG and how to implement it, what is JSON in Java, and what is NLP and machine learning model. So remember one thing that I will tell everyone, that if you are going to interview now, must go through the recent technology like cloud technology or AWS or AIML. You should have at least basic idea of all these tech stack, because that will means they're gonna sure ask the questions. Next, about the final year projects and contributions. So beside that, OOPS question are very important, so they must ask you about the OOPS, what the concept. So especially OOPS concept का अच्छे से देखे जाएगा, like method overloading, method overriding. So those who are participating in our mock interview, I think you have clarity that what are the questions they are asked, and they are basically pretty much comfort. So if you are the candidates who want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can also fill the form in the description. We will try to complete guidance at minimal price, and also we will basically see your resume, and we will basically help you to clear this interview. Okay, next other HR question जो कि मैंने already sheets provide किया, that why do you want to join TCS and are you comfortable with the locations, means location relocation, and how to handle series of priorities. So these are the basic questions, and they might ask you the scenario based question, like they give you a question that suppose you are working in a project and you are having 5 members and you have some conflict with some other person, then how you gonna handle this in your project. So that was all the interview experience of first candidates. This is the interview experience of the second candidates, and his interview was on 6th April, and 6 अप्रैल को मेरा इंटरव्यू हुआ था फॉर डिजिटल प्रोफाइल, जो सिर्फ 5 से 10 मिनट चला. अगेन इट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन योर इंटरव्यूअर, योर लक, अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. और ऐसा नहीं आप मान के चले कि ये 5 मिनट चला या 10 मिनट चला देन यू विल बी रिजेक्टेड और यू विल बी सिलेक्टेड. इट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन वेरियस अदर फैक्टर विच यू कांट डिसाइड. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू गिव योर बेस्ट इन योर इंटरव्यू, दैट इज द थिंग्स. तो सबसे पहले मेरा HRMR राउंड हुआ जो मैम ने लिया. मैंने सभी क्वेश्चंस को आंसर दिए. बीच में मैम ने मुझे एक सजेशन दिया कि मुझे अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल पर वर्क करना चाहिए. दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो telling to all of you that communication will play a critical role, because the main things in interview is how you are communicating, how you are managing the questions, especially HR questions, and technical too, but HR question is प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन द कम्युनिकेशन. आप किस तरह से कम कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि कोडिंग अगर क्वेश्चन अगर आपको दिया गया, देन यू कैन राइट ऑन कोड और सूडो कोड इन पेन एंड पेपर, दैट इज इजी. बट हाउ यू गोना कम्युनिकेट दिस, हाउ यू गोना बेसिकली एक्सप्लेन दैट थिंग, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो कम्युनिकेशन पे आप लोग वर्क कीजिए, खासकर जिनका भी 5 से 6 दिन में है इंटरव्यू, या इफ यू आर गेटिंग टाइम, यूटिलाइज दैट टाइम. यू कैन यूज द मिरर टेक्निक, मीन्स मिरर में आप लोग कर सकते हैं या अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज द बेस्ट थिंग, यू शुड गिव द मॉक इंटरव्यू एज मच एज यू कैन. सो दैट इज द थिंग आई वांट टू टेल. एंड अगेन saying friends, if you have interview, just go and brush up your project and don't give me any single points in your resume which you don't have idea. So I have taken the interview for many candidates and some of them mention NLP and बस बहुत सारा आप कह सकते हैं एडवांस टॉपिक दे हैव मेंशन, बट व्हेन आई एम आस्किंग ही just keep mum, he didn't reply anything. So don't do this, okay, because you will not selected on the basis of your resume, you will be selected on the basis of the reply you are giving to the interviewer questions, and interviewer gonna sure shot ask the question from your resume. So that's the important thing. This is the cycle of the interview. You can say these are the some experience from the previous candidates. That is 2 questions from the REST API, means they might ask you the API, SQL query. I am getting the common question. Okay, so SQL and OOPS concept is very important. So you should just work on it. And HR question related to relocation, strength, weakness, and all, you have to go through it. So I hope this video informative to you. Again saying, if you have interview, it might happen that आपका communication अच्छा ना हो. So just try to give your best, that only you can do, because you know very well that within 1 or 2 days you will not able to work on communication and all those stuff. Okay, so all the best to the candidates who have interview further, and it is basically nice to see your reply that you are getting selected and you are basically DM me. So congratulations and best of luck for your journey. I am nice to be part of your journey. कोई भी query है, we can connect on LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever platform you are comfortable with. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.